Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents where all previously opened apps are stored. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device like that. And here we've got the recents. You can close them quickly, manually, just by swiping them to the right or to the left, or if you want to close all with only one click, just tap on this X button in the middle. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.